In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in GoDaddy Website Builder. Let's imagine you're ready to engage more with your website visitors, perhaps to gather contact information or feedback. Well, creating a form is the perfect way to do just that, and I'll guide you through each step of the process so that it becomes a seamless addition to your site. Start by opening up your internet browser and head over to the GoDaddy website. With the site open, log in using your credentials. You have the option to log in with your email, Facebook, or Google account, whatever works best for you. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard, where you'll find a section labeled Websites plus Marketing. Here, you should see a list of the websites you've already set up. Find the site you want to add a form to and click Manage right next to it. This will bring you to your website's management area where you'll want to select Edit Website. By clicking this, you'll launch the GoDaddy Website Builder interface. Now think about where on your page you'd like your form to appear. Once you have a spot in mind, locate and click the plus icon on that page. This allows you to add a new section to your site. Now, it's time to focus on the type of form you wish to include. You'll find categories like Contact Form, Contact Us, or similar options related to gathering information from visitors. Go ahead and take your time browsing through the available pre-designed layouts here. There are a variety of styles, so pick the one that fits your overall design and needs best. Having selected a form, you can now customize it to suit your specific requirements. This means you can add new fields that may collect information you're interested in, edit existing ones, or even remove fields that aren't necessary. Alongside these changes, consider setting up notifications so you receive alerts when someone fills out the form. Don't forget to personalize the text to convey the right message to your audience or align with your brand voice. Before finalizing anything, it's wise to check how your form looks on different devices. Click on the Preview option to view how everything appears both on desktop and mobile devices. Make sure everything fits well and is user-friendly on both screens. After ensuring everything looks perfect and functions as expected, it's time for the last step, publishing your site. By doing this, your form becomes live, giving visitors the chance to interact with it directly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a form to your GoDaddy website. By following these steps, you've created a valuable tool that enhances your interaction with visitors, easing communication, and potentially driving engagement forward. Let's continue to build together in the next video.